Party?
This is what I know about This is what I know about Boston Tea Party. British can't vote.
All British?
British in America.
Uh-huh.
I'm shy.
And what happened?
The British people or the king taxed them for tea, plus a lot of other things.
Uh-huh. No. And then what happened?
The British people cannot vote. Our British people in America cannot vote.
And so what did they do about it?
They taxed people.
Well, no, the king taxed people. But did the American British want to pay it?
No.
So what'd they do?
Have a Boston Tea Party.
And what happened at the Boston Tea Party? Did they wear fancy hats and get their teddy bears?
No.
What happened?
They poured lots of tea into the ocean.
No fancy hats?
No.
They should have wore their fancy hats.